Simple doesn't mean shallow. You need to understand this truth. I teach my clients that simplicity is a necessity. Without it, you will battle to stay consistent. You only need one verse. Read it out loud a couple of times over and ask the Lord, what are you saying to me through this? Don't rush. Keep it simple. Carry that verse with you throughout the day. Allow it to sink in. Take it when you're driving. Meditate on it when you're doing your chores, when the email and responsibilities at work flood in, or when you are busy at home. Allow that verse to shape you. It helps to write it on your mirror or sticky tape it to your desk. Repeat it to yourself often throughout the day. And then as you go through the day, revisit it. Allow it to mold how you think and shape your next move. I tell you this truth, that is how you bring God into the grind of everyday life.